everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to log into the POS system for the first time. It's simple and only takes a few steps. Now, let's get started. First, we need to create a new employee's backend in the store management. Under the employee management section, click Add. Then fill in a login and account information in the pop-up window. It is recommended to upload an employee photos for easier identification. Make sure to select cashier as the employee type so the account can log into the POS. Once everything is filled out, click Save, and the new employees will be created. Next, we recommend settings. A store management password, also called the manager password. Go to Store Settings gives basic information. Click Set Group Password. Enter the password and save it. Besides the backend, store managers can also create employees from the mobile app. Go to Employee Management, tap Add, fill in the basic info and account details, then save. Once the account is created, we can log into the POS. On the login screen, swiping through the employee avatars, select the one you want to log in with, enter the password, and tap Login. Once verified, you'll be taken to the home screen. When entering the home screen, a cash float pop-up will appear. If you are not using a cash float, simply close the window. If the device is connected to a cash drawer and uses a float, enter the amount of cash they're keeping for this shift. The system will ask for the manager password. Just enter the one we set earlier in the backend. Now everything is ready. You can start using the POS system normally.